In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow others to upload in Dropbox. First, sign into your Dropbox account and head to your homepage. Find the specific folder or file that you want other people to contribute to. Using a dedicated folder is usually best because anything you allow others to edit can also be removed or changed by them. Once you've picked the folder, hover over it and click Share. This opens the sharing panel where you control how people interact with your content. Inside the sharing panel, look for the small gear or settings icon, usually near the bottom or alongside the link options. Click that to open the detailed controls. Here, switch to the option labeled Link for editing. You'll see a section that indicates who has access to edit. Change that setting so it reads anyone with the link. This is the key step that allows people you share the link with to upload new files and, if needed, delete or modify items inside the folder. Confirm your changes, then copy the link and share it with the people you trust. You can paste it into an email, a chat, or any communication tool your team uses. Remind them that this is an editable link, so they'll be able to add files directly into the folder. If you're working on a big project, it's helpful to include brief instructions in your message, such as naming conventions or which subfolder to use, so everything stays organized. If you want to test that everything works, open a private or incognito browser window, paste the link, and sign in with a different account. You should see that you can upload by dragging files into the folder or using the Upload button. You can also remove items, which confirms that edit access is active. This mirrors exactly what your collaborators will experience when they use the link you've shared. A quick caution: giving edit access means people can upload and delete. Only share this link with individuals you trust and consider keeping backups of important files. If you ever need to tighten control, you can go back to the same sharing settings and change the access from anyone with the link to a more restrictive option. That's it. Now you know how to allow others to upload in Dropbox using an editable link. If this walkthrough helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.